Welcome, administrators. Your admin dashboard is a powerful tool designed to streamline every aspect of your school's operations. Let's walk through how to use it effectively. Step 1. Accessing the dashboard. To access your dashboard, navigate to your browser and type tmscanteen.xyz/admin. Log in with the special email and password assigned to you as an administrator. Upon logging in, you are greeted by the main dashboard. This provides an at-a-glance summary of your school's key metrics, total students and parents, all-time revenue, and a snapshot of today's revenue and orders. On today's revenue, you can leave it on all services or filter a specific service to know the total revenue generated for that service today. For example, I will click on the down pointing arrow and this will show all the services. Let's select Canteen, and that's it. The system will filter only the revenue generated for Canteen today. This resets every new day. The same applies to today's orders. You can filter the total orders received for each service for the day. And that's it for the main dashboard. It gives you a snappy and quick overview of your school. To get more details for your school operations, let's explore every other feature. The navigation sidebar on the left is your primary tool for accessing all management features. Step 2. Student and class management. The foundation of the system is your student roster. Click on Students in the sidebar. Here you can view all registered students, their class, and their unique parent link codes. You can search students by entering their name in the search field. Click on the dots against each student to open the Action menu. On the Action menu, you can copy the student link code. This link code is a 6-character code you can share with the parent of a child. This is the code a parent will use in their dashboard to link their child to their account. Keep this code only for authorized users. You may have different means of delivering the code to the parent, but make sure it's safe, because anybody that has this code can also link the child to their account and get access to the child's personal data, like the child's name, class, fee management, orders, academic data, among many others. The school will communicate to the parent about the child. On the Action menu, you can link a parent to the student or even delete the student from the system. To link a parent account to the student, select Link Parent from the Action menu. Enter the parent's email and click on the Link Parent button. The parent will see the child in their dashboard under their linked children. Note that the parent email must be the one they used in creating their personal account with TMS Portal. Linking a parent here for a child is important in case a parent finds it difficult linking a child using the child's link code the school sent to them. You may ask the parent for their email and perform the linking here for them. Now, because some parents may not have the technical knowledge to perform the linking process on their dashboard, school admins can do the linking for them. Using the Action menu is easy for linking individual students one at a time. If your school's student population is large, especially when you're enrolling your school for the first time into the TMS portal, you will be exhausted linking students one by one to their parents. Because of this, we will use the Intelligent Bulk Parent Linking feature. This feature can link any number of students at once to their parents instantly. To use it, find and click on the Bulk Link Parents button at the top here. Follow the detailed instructions carefully given here. You can link an entire class at a time. First, select a particular class you want to work with. All the students for that class will appear. The Copy Class Data button beneath the search bar will now become active. Step 2. Click the Copy Class Data button. Step 3. Paste the data into the data box. Step 4. Write the parents' emails for each student. Review and make changes. Step 5. Click on the Link Parent button. That's it. You should have that entire class linked to their parents. The parent will take no other action for the linking process. Repeat the same for all other classes you want to link. Now, let's learn how to enroll a new student into your school system. To add a new student individually, click Add Student. Fill in their full name, select a class to assign them to, then click on the Add Student button. And that's it. The student is added successfully to the database. The system automatically generates a secure, unique link code that you will provide to the parent. And the best part? This app makes work simple and smarter. You can also bulk add students at once. This comes in handy when you're enrolling a large student population into your school at the same time. To use this feature, first prepare an Excel spreadsheet of the list of students you want to enroll. The Excel document should be simple with just 2 columns, full name and class. Follow the instructions given here to prepare your file. Next, click on the Bulk Add button. Click on Choose File to upload your CSV or Excel document you prepared. When uploaded, finally click on the Add Students button, and that's it. All the students in the Excel spreadsheet will be added to the system instantly. If there are errors in your file, the system will automatically highlight them and tell you how to fix them. Alright, let's move to the last part of student management. Maybe at the end of an academic year, some students will be promoted to the next class, or a student is being sent to a different division of the same level. There is a Promote feature to handle that. Click on Promote Students, select the From class, and all the students in that class will be listed and marked for promotion. You can unselect students you don't want to promote. Select the destination class, click on Promote Students, and that's it. The selected students will be moved permanently to the new class. Alright, that's it for now. Next, we will look at class management in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you there in the next video.